What's up guys, Revival GT here, and we decided to clean our cars today. So I normally have just been using, actually this right here, this Black Magic Wet Shine. You know, it's just a cheap car soap, and you know, it always did an okay job, but I realized I was out of that, and so I went to AutoZone, and I was looking around, I was looking at this like ceramic coated stuff and all this crazy stuff, and then I saw this, right? So this was really cheap. It was like 11 bucks, I think, 10 or 11 bucks. And it says no drying needed. And I'm like, my least favorite part of doing this is drying my car. So hers is already done. So I'm gonna show you hers, but it surprised the crap out of me. We did not take a towel to this car at all, and it looks absolutely flawless. There's not a single water spot on this car, and it looks amazing. So if you're considering a different, you know, thing to use, definitely check out that Rain-X stuff. You know, I mean, we haven't waxed it, we haven't done anything, and it looks amazing. So be sure to check that stuff out. I'm all about trying to get good results for the cheap, so definitely check that out. We're gonna see how it works on my car here in a bit once it gets done drying. Okay, so real quick, I actually did get a bunch of spots. We tried to do my car a little bit different. So I've got one of those little foam cannon deals, and I hit the whole car with that. And for whatever reason, that did not act right. But her car, we went over it, you know, just the normal way. You know, we got the 2 buckets, you know, we got soap in one, water in one, and we just used the whole 2 bucket method on that one. So that worked really, really well for that. So if you're using a foam cannon, probably don't try to use this stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much it.